Agbenuke for me, Amado Banama Siama or Sebama Siama for Fulama Domania. Alabe make notification dele nyo phone ji. Ya mabe mabui ne makbo da na ekbo notification la anye email gbogbo fi. Notification ya yakbo mele. Aha. Notification le fi obe. It pays to share your opinion. Nele ekbo dade it pays to share your what? Your opinion. Efiabe ade ususu blog ble susube wa dina de nawe wa de ususu blog ekema wa dina de nawe apa efe nkonyi ya unre fi reward okay onye google ele fe hena mewe be no wo pe review ekpo da de tami agade me ma bu ni ma kpo be ma ide notification me na mazi asiji ekema avu apa na mdazes de ka ele kpo be google opinion reward egaya na kono nuka tunga kono app wo plele wo funji aha sometimes let me akpo app de wala je be mi hefe app me download app evelia egaya the easy way je be na say ya be na plele wo funji as so Google is paying people for sharing opinion and ma call link e call that video app go me evelia no me tun po fche o ya o ye ide Play Store alo App Store e na my deal with my Google opinion reward na download app aha tami agede me babia yo bia mema this survey will ask you question about YouTube video that you might like to watch. You are getting this survey because you have YouTube watch history enabled. So if you don't have it, you can enable yours or you can switch it off. So yeah, which you can manage at www. So that is my history. Sometimes they ask me obianam cho nududu obianam be me ide gbome be kagbe me gade du nu preflekbo ekpo da le sinene me play nududu ta mi agede me mebe respond ta ma lo de jibe ma ide Sophie me anye ya mazie ya ble susube ma ide Sophie me video yi me kpo ma jo mi ape Ghana president aha interview BBC for interview on job. E ape question Google be ya bia mama po video de video kama po. O cheme wa sebele koku menu po ele lilwin po ele sakodi po wa bia we kema na ndodo simple and short wa di coins de we corner we. Ni agede me. Abe ba bia gbanto selection man select your answer. Ba bia yo bia me e ya yin allergy me le fi. Abe do you remember watching this video? Yes or no? Tamazi Efi Ikema Machinabe, yes. Next. Would you say that watching this video was a worthwhile use of your time? Yes. Babia elekborare babia simple and short, Emma. Which of these statements describe why watching this video was worthwhile use of your time? MS video the video ka denam no kata mebe video de asi hohole unam. Okay, so it fulfilled temporary information need. Of course, it was entertaining. Well, I was entertained. I mean, no, president body. Ale ole no po ediko ko na. Ya magbo lele mo ema. Babia se mu Ghana ble. Aha, ya magbole. It provides long-term value to my life. Okay, that one no, I didn't like this video. Okay, so babia dodo me ya me pone mi ideji abe more me makpo if there's any provide information magate wana it provide long-term value to my life. No, I didn't like this video. It helped me relax or focus. It was momentarily uplifting, inspiring. Well, the journalist actually inspired me. I love that content. But I would love him to interview a lot of people for me. So my me, aha, boyaka, opinion reward. Thank you. Hey, we will keep trying to credit your account. Notification, notification. We have credited your account with 0.54 dirham. has been awarded. Eya o credit in your account tema zigis de ka ta heme zigis de kala eni join ya for heme wodoyala ega yimeva kpofufula ma ele 30 dirham 30 dirham mane me ko ide ega yume hoema wonto ele kpodare new reward ekpodare 1 cd 2 cds 4 cd one no ho wuri sibe e popo vale 30 cds egbeto yime wo fufula e anyi ne le popole fi afa ile didi o le construction garden wole miaun e wa be afa o le didi ta mi ko kem da afa maun ta basically e gayo le hehema so far la survey yo me wo e anyi 43 survey e pe da de e gade o mezaga e gade o ko wo nu bubu o ko fle app de wele nu moji e pe da de ta that's basically what I want to share with you guys. Okay, no bilo we abale megble. There is no harm in trying. Eya is free of charge. O ma kon wan si di kodemo. E pada dem ide new settlement if you akpo be gayo he na megbe eya nye 1 cd. E pada re gayo he na megbe de do so e ma me won answer video nye me pon video. O gale efe he na be video me pon. E pada re balance e ma dirham cover 1 cd Ghana cedis me eya nye ma. Me kpo be ne mi le chat e ji kpo fifala la wa kpo be Ghana ga elegy le fi ele down wo fifala elegy e kpo da de ta ya kwema me apete mi anoma. Once you have mobile phone la si oko je nkume kekere ga hun wa kede hun e do le mo le wo gan de ma ko gan che cover wo yi wa ti wa we ma ba fia no cho laptop ma ko laptop che ko no fia me ko laptop ko fia no la nu ya ajo anye be nu ni nyade na we play wo phone alo me ko laptop ko fia de wa le phone ji tututu abale me fia le laptop ji wa app ka di be ya play e ga ya ne be ya teche. There is a way you can withdraw this money as well. Ya de kuma ma ko da de mo di plan me sia me be me say but yeah, there is a way you can earn with your Play Store if you have the Play Store there. That's it. Okay, no be all way. Na be ya mela if de ko na zi batin ya na zi ya le fi ekema na me ekpoda data maziji emi akpoda ekema apu na me maziji la ma me kla me kawe ami onya ma akema maze ma me le WhatsApp chi alo Facebook ma me de akpasi akpa na ma alo wa copy link e le ekpoda de wa copy link e le fi link e ma wa na akpoda link nya wa copy le fi ekema wa me le te be de sia de ekpoda de okay no bi lo bia da gbe na me sia me mi ano kame video me be me ekpo e body da gba na me kla me sia me ala vevere mi ano kame no bi lo we.